All right, so this is my 2024 Subaru Outback, and as you can imagine, or you can see, it has a very, very big windshield across the front that lets a lot of sun in. PiGenius here was nice enough to send me their custom window shade to block the sun, and I want to thank them for that. And let's get this opened up and see how it looks. Again, these are custom made. Well, when I say custom made, they're not a one size fits all. They're specific to the windshield manufacturer. It does come with a nice bag, the one that you can zip tie right here so that it's nice and secure. Let's take an overall look of the product. Let's see, it's got the reflective part on one side. I'm assuming it will be facing out. Now, the one thing about the Subarus is that it has the cameras on either side, so you want to make sure that this fits in nice and open with this gap here to allow for the cameras, and I believe it does, although it has this for the rear view mirror, and it's nice and sturdy on both sides, and I'm guessing we'll put the black part on the inside. Okay, with the sun shield on, it actually looks very nice. It is quite big. Initially I thought that it was bigger, that it's not going to fit, but it does fit. And you do need something this big to fit the windshield from corner to corner and top to bottom. It does go a little bit higher up. As you can see, it's behind the sun visor, and the sun visor holds it in place, but it locks in nice and tight. Some are flimsy to fall apart, but this thing stays up on top. It's quite sturdy, and it does cover the entire windshield left to right. So overall, I like it. I will be using it, and I want to thank PiGenius for sending it out to me. Again, these are custom made for particular models, so they have different sizes for different models. It's not a one size fits all, and the material is very good. I like the reflective one and the black on the inside, and covers the windshield end to end. Thanks for watching.